Alright, you guys, so we are back with, well, I guess not back, but here with hack number 1. And I'm super excited for this hack. This hack is great. All it needs is aloe vera, obviously, as well as a silicone or just a normal ice cube tray. We have got a different kind of ice cube tray because the other one was just a little bit too big. We've got our aloe vera. This one is in a much different bottle, but that's fine. And all we gotta do is we start by plopping all of the aloe vera into each ice cube. It does take a while, so you're in for quite a treat. And then we have got these ice cubes. They're so cute, and they're these little Disney ice cube trays, which is even better. It makes the whole thing cuter when you're putting on the aloe vera and using Mickey Mouse or the castle. Then you just put it in the freezer.
Keep on keeping on every night, way up in the clouds.
And you are good to put it on, and it helps your face.
You know there's an ocean between us. Don't go cry about it. Don't go cry about it. Got it all figured out. Wanna do this.
Alright guys, so I'm so excited for this one. I love DIYing things, so this one is one of my favorites. All you're going to need is this cute towel, which, by the way, is so fluffy, and it's only from Walmart. And then we've got my favorite part of this, the tussle. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, then we're gonna take our super cute raffle taffle stuff, as well as the beach towel, at least I got that word right. We're gonna line it up to the very edge of the towel. Almost said pool, definitely not pool. And we're just gonna start sewing this. You can use your hands for this if you wanna be all artsy and cute, or you can always use a sewing machine because, you know, sewing machines are quicker. We're in that time where you can totally use a sewing machine, so I recommend a sewing machine. And we have our super cute towel.
In my pants, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you.
All you're gonna need for this one is a cute mason jar. You can get a much smaller mason jar just at the dollar store and get the cap and the lid as well. And some scissors or an X-Acto knife. Anyways, we're gonna start by putting the cap on like you would normally do, as well as the bottom part, not sure what it's called. And we've got here our cute little jar. Then all you've got to do is start poking little holes. You can poke bigger ones if you would like more freshener to come out. See, I've got a knife here, so make sure you have parental vision. If you are going to be doing this, don't follow my lead. Actually, you can follow my lead, but I had my mom with me, so be sure to have parental vision because this is very dangerous. Then all we gotta do is take some super cute wax cubes. I've got some papaya passion fruit or just some tropical ones. I love doing tropical during the summer because, you know, it's summer and we love the tropical smells during summer. I mean, everyone wants that tropical summer vibe during, well, obviously the summer. Then we just screw the lid back on, and then you can put this in your car. And then when it heats up, when your car gets super hot, then the air comes out of it, technically, and it smells super nice. And that's all you gotta do, and it's super cute in your car also. So, there you go.
'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. My friends and I was out like every other day.
Life hack number 4 is, guys, I can't wait to tell you, the best way to store your drinks in the pool. I mean, who wants to go out of the pool to go and get a drink when it might not be cold, when you can just put it in the pool, in a little tiny toddler pool? So all you're gonna need, as you can already tell, is a toddler pool. I got a little bit of a larger one, so if you want to fill it with larger drinks, or if you're having a party at your house with lots of people, this pool is perfect for that. Also, it took us like 20 minutes, no joke, to just find the tube or the little out part to blow up the pool. So kudos to us for actually finding it. Then all you gotta do is put some ice in it and, well, you've got your drink holder, except ours didn't have drinks because we forgot our drinks. But yeah, it's a super cute, fun way to store your drinks, and it's kind of just my favorite thing ever.
Will I get in the chance to see him? That's when I saw him sitting next to me in class. I ain't ready and my heart is beating fast. She's so in love, she really is. Something happened I couldn't speak.
Alright, you guys, it's time for summer life hack number 5. Woo! I am low-key, honestly, so excited for this life hack. This one is going to take some Yoplait yogurt or any type of yogurt, as well as a few popsicle sticks. Then all you're gonna do is take a little knife and cut the smallest slit, or you could honestly just stick your popsicle sticks in the top. Then you're gonna stick the popsicle sticks in the top, just like so. So cute, you guys. Can I just tell you this now? These are so cute. Then all you gotta do is stick them in the freezer, and then you guys have the cutest popsicles. Honestly, you guys could look so cute at a pool with these super cute DIY popsicles that didn't even take that long to make.
Turned to a